In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Meet couldn't connect. If you're seeing a couldn't connect message or your meeting won't load, follow along and we'll walk through simple checks that resolve most connection issues quickly. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Meet. Look for the official meet.google.com result and click that link. This ensures you're using the legitimate site and not a cached or outdated shortcut. Once the page loads, sign in with the account that should have access to the meeting. If you use both personal and work or school accounts, make sure you're logged into the correct one because access can be limited to a specific organization. If you still can't get in, refresh and rejoin. Close the meeting tab or app completely, then reopen the meeting link from your calendar, invite, or email. This resets the session and clears minor glitches that can block a connection. Next, check whether the issue is on Google's side. Search for the Google Workspace Status dashboard and open it. Find Google Meet on the list and confirm it shows normal service. If there's an outage or service disruption, the best step is to wait until it's resolved. If the dashboard looks good, switch your internet connection to rule out a local network problem. If you're on Wi-Fi, temporarily try mobile data or a hotspot. If you're on mobile data, switch back to Wi-Fi. Give it a few seconds after switching before you try to rejoin. Keep in mind that mobile data may incur charges. VPNs and proxy servers can interfere with real-time video traffic. If you're using a VPN or a proxy, disconnect it for now and try joining again. This helps your device connect directly without extra routing that can block or slow the stream. Make sure your computer's date and time are accurate. If they're off, security checks can fail and prevent the meeting from loading. In your system settings, set date and time to automatic so they sync with the network, then try rejoining. Corrupted temporary files can also stop pages from loading correctly. Clear your browser cache and cookies to remove stale data. In most browsers, go to Settings or Preferences, open Privacy or Security, choose Clear Browsing Data, and select Cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Pick a recent time range or all time if problems persist, then clear. Reopen the browser, sign back into Google Meet, and try the meeting again. Follow these steps in order, and you should be back in your meeting without the couldn't connect roadblock. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your call.